Hello everyone, welcome back to our Dashboard Builder tutorial series. In today's episode, we'll be diving into the process of creating a pivot table in the Dashboard Builder. Pivot tables are incredibly useful for summarizing and analyzing your data, and the Dashboard Builder makes it easy to create dynamic and interactive pivot tables. So let's get started. Before we begin, let's briefly understand what a pivot table is. A pivot table is a powerful tool that allows you to summarize and analyze large datasets, helping you make sense of your information quickly and efficiently. Log into your Dashboard Builder account. Open a new project. Click on the Add Database button. Click on MySQL to import your data source. Enter your database name and its credentials. Hit the Save button. Launch the Chart Setting panel. Click on the table that you want to retrieve data. Select the table chart. A sample table chart is generated. In the Widget Field panel, you'll see options to set up your pivot table. Select the field from the drop-down fields you want to analyze into the rows, columns, and values sections. Select region for rows, item type for column, and units sold for values. Choose aggregation functions like sum, average, maximum, minimum, or count. We will select the sum in this example. Hit the Apply button. Your pivot table is created. Explore the customization options provided by the Dashboard Builder. Adjust colors, fonts, and styles to match your dashboard's aesthetics. Hit the Save Changes button. Once you're satisfied with your pivot table and overall dashboard, save your project. Congratulations, you've successfully created a pivot table with the Dashboard Builder. Now you have a powerful tool to analyze your data visually and gain insights. Remember, the Dashboard Builder has unique features, such as you can generate a link to share the dashboard with others or embed it in a website. You can also generate the PHP code by simple click this button. And here's the PHP source code of your pivot table. You can use this PHP code to any web application. There are so many other features, so feel free to explore and experiment. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Until next time, happy data exploring.